Why don't show nothing?
Because your hand is in the way.
Oh. Sorry. Okay.
YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener out here. And I'm about to pull a jack move. Follow me and I'll show you. So my sister works this campus, or she used to work this campus. And one thing she said about the fruit that's out here, I said, well, what do they do with all the fruit that's out here? She was like, nothing. So I think what I decided to do today was rescue some fruit. So follow me over here. And about to do a jack move. Look at this. Just sitting here all by itself. Oh. Yeah, jack move. Put some jackfruit.
Oh.
Gotta be careful of the latex.
Yes.
It does have latex coming out. So yeah, I'm gonna take this puppy back to the condo. Not that puppy. Well, I'm taking that puppy too, but I'm taking this puppy. And we're gonna go back. And if I can, I'm gonna pop this bad boy open and see what we can find.
It's over.
We're leaving out with the goods. Past security. Shh. Huh. Yeah, it turned out to be a real rainy day. Not too excited and happy about that, but I got what we came for. Man, it makes no sense that this stuff just sits out here and it falls to the ground and then it's devoured by bugs when humans can eat this. I'm not sure what those are. Yeah, that humans can't even partake in this food. You got people starving and you just got fruit just out and about, just all over the place, and they see the bananas dropping, they're like, eh. They see these jackfruit drop and they're like, eh. That's too crazy. Well, your Weekend Gardener loves rescuing fruits and vegetables. See ya. YouTube, what's going on? Just as promised, I am about to get out of here and fly back home, but I wanted to see if I can get some of this and take it with me. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna do a taste test right now, but I promise you I'll cut it open. And what I wanna do is I'm gonna compare it to the last jackfruit that I had in America. Wow, this thing is like cutting it into a turtle. What I'm interested in is seeing if it's latex inside. Man, do y'all got any good knives?
Do you want another?
No, we'll work with it, but I just want to be extra careful.
I see guys cutting.
Yeah, I don't know how to cut this. And I'm trying not to get any of this latex on me.
Oh, yeah.
All right, pause. We're going to have to get a bigger knife.
Okay.
Pause. All right, we're back with a bigger knife. Let's see if we get a different result. I might have to muscle this thing open.
Still green.
There we go. I don't know if I want to eat this. Look at that.
Yeah, super green.
Well, it's not the green I'm worried about, it's the latex. Look at that. This thing was huge. I don't know if it's ready now, but At least I'm showing you the inside. I don't think I'm brave enough to eat any. But, yeah, hands are real sticky. This stuff is almost hard to get off. Yeah, but I'm not eating that. I'm not that crazy. See you on the next one.